Hi everybody, and today we're gonna be playing with Legos. Kidding, I'm just gonna be showing you my pocket knife. But yeah, let me get it. Yeah, not sure you could see, but this is pretty good for zombie apocalypse. In the future, I may be doing stuff you should have for a zombie apocalypse, or my zombie survival kit. Yeah, it has 3 different blades, and I'm gonna make sure to show you them all. And this is the one with no blades sticking out. Then, yeah, no, where's another blade? So, yep, yeah, here is the other one. So, yeah, pretty good for a zombie apocalypse. Backstab a zombie. Pretty good in my opinion. So, yeah. Pretty good for backstabbing a zombie. Or slicing its head off. And also killing the camera. Which I am probably never gonna do. Next, let me get the other knife out. This knife is actually pretty weird in my opinion. So, yup. Here, the third knife is pretty weird, if you ask me. Yeah, I have a bunch of birthday cards still. I have a lot of money. I mean, yeah, it does look like $100 to you. Well, it isn't actually $100, but I'm gonna get more in like few seconds. Kidding, not a few seconds. Like maybe in 5 hours. Yeah, 5 hours. So, yep. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. And bye, guys.